This is a procedure on how to create a landing page. So we will start with logging onto Instapage with the user credentials and going to create new page. This is where you can upload an Instapage file if you've got one, use an existing page, or pick a template. I usually just pick a template from the store. There are a variety of different pages that you might require. So what we need is our landing page that captures details from a Minute with Matt. So lead generation will probably be the most appropriate landing page. Just click on that. Okay, so I've scrolled down to find the most appropriate template, and I think I like this one. So we'll select that to go further and start creating. Okay, this is where you name your page. So okay, now we'll make the adjustable changes. So we can change the background image, we'll change the text, change the coloring to match with our branding. So basically all you do is click the little edit button and select a background color, border color, and so forth, and tick that. And to change text, click edit with a drop down, and then you'll be able to change the headline, the size, the color, etc. So I'll just quickly do that to give you a quick example. So here I'm just quickly changing the image to our logo. So select change image when you hit the icon, upload from my computer, and then you will go to your Google Drive, marketing, AAA logos, and I will select the BX logo. Just insert that there. Make sure you can see it completely. It's really easy to move around. And just adjust the logo appropriately. Just drag that to the top. We've got extra pages, sorry, not pages, sections, so we don't really need any more than what we've already got. So we might just delete all of them apart from the first one. It's not really extensive landing page, it's just want to capture some details, and maybe just change the copyright to, let's say, BX. And that's done. Now we can make all the necessary changes to the content. Okay, now we've made the appropriate changes for the Instapage, so the landing page is pretty much ready to go apart from our form. So we've got to hook up the form to Infusionsoft and make sure all the details are correct. So preferably we use first name, last name, phone number, and maybe company name or business name, as well as email. So to edit that, go to this section. So this is to change any sort of adjustments on the order form, make around edges, corners, make it a opaque footer image background. But that's all fine here. So we'll just edit the form itself. So we'll go to form style. So the color thing, okay. Button style is to change that, but we've already changed that. So we'll just change the fields now. So we'll just say first name, last name, email, and this one might have to change. We can delete that one and maybe just add another one, because that was, you can choose drop down, text area, hidden, ready button, or a checkbox. But for this case we only need the text field, which the last one is mobile number. Okay, so we've got all the required details for them to join our online community. Now we have to click on the button and edit that. So button styles are here. I've already changed the style and I've changed the name of the button. I might turn it to glossy. Then you can either choose to redirect, so that can be redirected to another landing page or a URL like your website, etc. But in this case we are linking this to Infusionsoft, so all the details go into Infusionsoft, which will be sending a sequence. But first we've got to create a tag in Infusionsoft. So we'll log into Infusionsoft. Okay, now we are in Infusionsoft. I've just went to CRM settings to get to this page here. So first we can add a tag category. Which these are the categories we've got at the moment. So we might be able to use one. Just have a look through all the categories there are and see if there's one that can possibly be used in this case. Maybe the e-subscriptions tag can be used. So since that's used, we can just create a tag. So just go to add tag. So we'll call it Minute with Matt. And maybe dash join the community. And category we already decided on e-subscriptions, so we'll just scroll down. Yeah. So we've got Minute with Matt. Maybe we'll put that in brackets so it's more clear. And we just add tags. Great, so that's there. So now that should show up when we try to link our landing page to Infusionsoft. So we've got all the required fields now. We select integrations, and there's all these integrations that are possible. So we've got Infusionsoft, so this is our account, CW253. So let's continue on that. Now, you've got to select a tag. So once this button is pressed, a person will get a tag. So it was under e-subscriptions, so we'll just have a look for that. We'll just start typing it in. Okay, Minute with Matt, join the community. Select this as your tag and press continue. This should come up with fields that you need to match. So first name, match that with an Infusionsoft field, which is first name. got last name, email is there, mobile number, so that should just come up as phone number in Infusionsoft. Phone. And auto create missing fields and finish. Email's already there. So now that is linked to our Infusionsoft account. So every single time someone selects join now, they will be tagged in Infusionsoft and entered to the appropriate sequence. So we'll just save that. Okay, since this landing page is now complete, we can publish it. So just select that button up the top. Oh, we still have to create a split test. So we'll create a B variation. So new variation. And now that should be our split test B. So we'll change it up. Maybe we'll change the button color to a different color. We'll just make one quick variable for now. So let's just say we swap the colors around for a navy button and gold when you hover. It's already glossy. Done. And maybe we'll add the join the community text at the top here. So select new headline. And we'll just say so we'll make that white since that's going into the navy section. And done. Move that up top here. And that is our B test. So just make sure the mobile site is also working appropriately. So just click mobile there. So as you can see, it's all a bit out of whack. So we might just have to create some space. Moving it all down. Okay, now that we've fixed up all the versions, variation A and B along with the mobile version, we can just select publish. And we will like to publish this to our WordPress site and push page to WordPress. Now we will log in to the Business for Life site. Okay, now we are at the back end of the Business for Life site. To make our page live, we will select the Instapage tab on this side. Okay, we'll just go to add page, since it is a new page. Make sure to select the sub account that says personal. So we'll just have a look for that one. There we go, personal projects. And the landing page should come up because you've just pushed it across. So Minute with Matt, join the community. Maybe do Minute with Matt, join the as the URL. So you pretty much create your own URL and publish. So now your Instapage is live.